In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and hit Autofill with Google here. Then select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!